Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by protecting your library and triggering the built-in repair. First, make a quick backup of the photos library or export recent images to an external drive so you can recover if needed. Once that's done, quit Photos and install any system or app updates. These often include fixes. Then, open Photos while holding the Option key. This launches the library repair tool. Click Repair and watch progress. It checks database integrity and resolves index issues so thumbnails and searches work again. Now you'll tackle deeper causes that repair misses. Start by checking disk space and run Disk Utility First Aid on your startup volume to fix file system errors that block photos. Once complete, clear Photos caches by deleting cache folders or rebooting into safe mode to force temp file cleanup. This removes corrupted thumbnails. Then, make sure Photos has full disk access in System Preferences Privacy so the app can read the library. If needed, sign out and back into your account to refresh iCloud tokens. Finish by reopening Photos and letting thumbnails and metadata fully rebuild. This can take time depending on library size, so be patient. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled if you use Apple Sync, and watch the upload/download status to resolve missing items. If you still see problems, create a new Photos library and import original files to isolate corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if rebuilding fails repeatedly, restore the latest backup copy of your library before attempting large imports, preventing permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.